So, what we mean by absolute perfect and best qualified customers are customers with the least amount of default risk, and that's usually a corporation. So, prime rate is reserved for corporations, and the rest of us, the rates that we would receive if we were to walk in there and try to get a small consumer loan or a mortgage, will kind of float right above prime rate a little. The people who really need to keep an eye on what prime rate is are those who have variable interest rate credit cards. So that means that their interest rate in their credit card floats with whatever prime rate is. So when prime goes down, their interest rate goes a little bit down, and when prime goes up, their interest rate goes up a little bit. Now, prime rate changes because it is largely determined by another rate called the federal funds rate, which is actually the rate that banks charge each other to lend each other money overnight. So, a subset of the Federal Reserve called the FOMC, they set the federal funds rate, and based off of the federal funds rate, everybody else gets a rate called prime rate, which influences our economy because when prime rate is low, that encourages consumer spending, so people go out and spend money. When prime rate is higher, people don't want to go out and buy a new car.